Hello! Have you ever seen a paper plate transforming into an absolutely adorable penguin? I will present to you an activity that is super easy, super fun, very beneficial for the fine motor skills development, and super relaxing at the same time. Prepare!
All you need is a paper plate, felt, some glue, paintbrushes, and black paint. Bend the paper plate as follows. Start painting and let it dry. Draw and cut the body parts for the penguin. Look how adorable it is!